Hiya, welcome back. Today I'm planning for the month of March. I'm using the print petticoat bandit kit it's called Lucky Charm monthly kit. It's a printable kit, but it comes with a transparent background so it can be used for digital planning, which makes it a lot easier. So I'm just going to let you watch me put all the stickers down, and then I'll come back like towards the end when I'm writing everything in. This month isn't particularly busy. I've got work the first week of March and a couple of bills, lectures. The first week of March I've got 2 uploads as well, because I'm going to be doing a recap upload for YouTube and Instagram on the 1st, just sort of show what I've been doing in my planner over the 3 months of the beginning of 2021. That's about it for the first week. Nothing particularly special, the usual weekly upload. Second week, again, just lectures. I'm going to be putting some money in my savings. I've got a new release and two uploads again on the second week, as well as some mental health training over Zoom for work. At this point I then realised that my work schedule's changed and I'm now working 1 week on, 1 week off, instead of 2 weeks off, 1 week on. So I'm just sort of moving everything around to fit in an extra work week for the month. As well, I've got my prescription to order, which I have to order every other week, it sort of comes the opposite week to when I have new releases. I've also got a deadline on the 15th. I feel like I'm planning all over this month. Sort of copy and pasting here and there, so it's quite difficult to voice over this, so I'm really sorry that it's all sort of all over. I've got a birthday this month, which I'm quite excited for. Couple of bills again, nothing really special. I've got 2 things down that I'm not actually sure what they're for. An upload on the 15th and then another thing indicated on the 22nd. So this is just an overview of what it looks like up close, sort of a better view than what I can get when I'm screen recording. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I've got one coming up again on the Sunday, so I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.